हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल अदनान रशीद। इस वीडियो में हम सॉल्व करेंगे चैप्टर नंबर 5 एक्सरसाइज 5.3 का क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, बिफोर सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चन वी नीड टू नो व्हाट इज एन अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन। So let's know, an arithmetic progression can be defined as the list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. For example, I will write here a simple AP, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Here you can see that in this AP the first term, which is denoted by A, is 1, and the following terms has been obtained by adding a fixed number. That fixed number here is known as common difference, which is denoted by small d, that is here equal to 1. Now to understand the arithmetic progression betterly, I will take here another example of an AP, that is 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Here you can see that in this AP the first term, which is denoted by A, is equal to 2, and the remaining terms can be obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding terms. That fixed number is known as common difference, and that is here equal to 2. After this we have two types of APs. First type is called finite AP. If the AP has finite number of terms, it is called finite AP. Also, you should know that the finite AP also contains a last term. I will write here an example of finite AP as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. In this AP, you can find that there are finite number of terms. That is, here in this AP, the number of terms is equal to 5. Then we have another type of AP, that is called as infinite AP. If the AP has infinite number of terms, then the AP is called infinite AP. Also, you should know that in infinite APs, they do not contain the last term. I will write here an example of infinite AP as 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. In this AP, you can easily find that there are infinite number of terms. We also need to remember more things related to arithmetic progression. That is, first term of an AP is denoted by symbol A, common difference is denoted by symbol D, and the general form of an AP is A, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. To determine the nth term of an AP, we have the formula AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is the first term, n is the position of nth term, and D is the common difference. This was all about arithmetic progression that you people should remember to solve the questions easily. Now let's move towards the solution of question number first of exercise 5.3, as you people have already solved exercise 5.1 and exercise 5.2. So the first question of exercise 5.3 is find the sum of the following APs. हम पहले इस क्वेश्चन का फर्स्ट पार्ट सॉल्व करेंगे. फर्स्ट पार्ट है 2, 7, 12 and so on to 10 terms. दैट मीन्स हमें 10th टर्म तक सम फाइंड करना है इस पार्ट का. हमें यहाँ पे लास्ट टर्म गिवन नहीं है. दैट मीन्स हियर इन दिस क्वेश्चन लास्ट टर्म इज नॉट गिवन, ओनली द वैल्यू ऑफ n इज गिवन. दैट इज हमें कितने टर्म्स का सम करना है वही हमें गिवन है. हियर इन द गिवन AP, फर्स्ट टर्म विच यू नो दैट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय A इज इक्वल टू 2. Common difference, which you know that is represented by small d, is equal to 7 minus 2, that is 5. Here remember that we can find d, that is common difference, using any two consecutive terms. Here n is equal to 10, that means हमें 10th term तक find करना है sum. Now to solve this question, we have a simple formula for finding the sum of n terms of an AP, which I will write here as Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute the value of n equal to 10, a equal to 2, d equal to 5 in the given formula. After substituting the value of a, n and d, we have s10 equal to 10 by 2 into 2 into 2 plus 10 minus 1 into 5. Now s10 will become 5 into 4 plus 9 into 5. After this here 9 into 5 will become 45 plus 4 will become 49. Now s10 will become 5 into 49, which will come out to be equal to 245. So the sum of first 10 terms of this AP is equal to 245. So 245 is the answer. Now move towards the solution of second part of the same question. So second part में जो AP हमें दिया गया है वो है -37, -33, -29 and so on up to 12th term. That means up to 12th term तक हमें sum find करना है. Here in this AP, A is equal to -37, D is equal to -33 minus -37. That means here minus minus will become plus. So -33 plus 37 will become equal to 4. N is equal to 12 क्योंकि हमें 12th term तक sum find करना है. Now use the same formula which we people have already used in the first part of the same question to find the sum. The formula is Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute the value of a equal to -37, n equal to 12, d equal to 4 in the same formula. We get S12 equal to 12 by 2 into -37 plus 12 minus 1 into 4. Now S12 will become 12 by 2 will become 6. 2 into -37 will become -74. 12 minus 1 will become 11 into 4 will become 44. Now S12 will become 6 into -74 plus 44 बनेगा -30. So 6 into -30. Now S12 will become 6 into -30, that is -180. So the sum of 12 terms of this AP is -180. So that is the answer. ऐसे ही आप इस क्वेश्चन का पार्ट 3 और पार्ट 4 सॉल्व करेंगे. पार्ट 3 जो इसमें AP दिया गया है 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 एंड सो ऑन टू 100 टर्म्स. हमें 100 टर्म्स तक सम फाइंड करना है. दैट मीन्स इन दिस AP A इज इक्वल टू 0.6, N इज इक्वल टू 100 एंड D इज इक्वल टू 1.7 माइनस 0.6, दैट विल कम आउट टू बी 1.1. एंड पार्ट 4 जो है इसमें फर्स्ट टर्म दिया गया है 1/15. जो D है वो आएगा 1/12 माइनस 1/15, दैट विल कम आउट टू बी इक्वल टू 1/60 एंड n इक्वल टू 11. आपको सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है वैल्यू ऑफ a, n एंड d इन द सेम फार्मूला जो हमने पहले दो पार्ट्स में यूज किया है. दैट मीन्स Sn इक्वल टू n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You will get the answer.